In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and pin Copilot on Microsoft Teams. This will help integrate Microsoft's powerful AI assistant directly into your daily workflow, making it readily accessible whenever you need it for drafting messages, summarizing conversations, or getting quick insights. Let's dive right into the process to get Copilot set up and pinned on your Teams interface. First, you'll need to locate and click the More Added Apps icon. This icon, often represented by 3 horizontal dots or a dicurel, symbol is your gateway to finding and managing additional applications within Teams. It's usually situated at the bottom of the left-hand navigation bar, making it a convenient place to expand your Teams functionality. Clicking it opens a menu where you can explore a wide range of available apps, including Copilot. Don't worry if you don't immediately see Copilot. This is just the first door to unlock its capabilities. This action essentially prepares your Teams interface for app discovery. Next, you'll access the search bar within the More Added Apps menu. Once you've clicked the More Added Apps icon, a new panel will likely slide out or a window will appear, displaying various applications. At the top of this panel, you'll typically find a search bar. This is a crucial tool for quickly locating specific apps without having to scroll through a potentially long list. The search bar is designed for efficiency, allowing you to filter through hundreds of available applications to pinpoint exactly what you're looking for, which in this case is Copilot. With the search bar now visible, proceed to type Copilot into it. It's important to spell it correctly to ensure the application appears in your search results. As you type, Teams will dynamically filter the apps, displaying relevant matches in real time. This saves you time and ensures accuracy, helping you quickly narrow down the options. Copilot is a powerful AI assistant, so finding its app is essential to unlock its potential for enhancing your productivity and collaboration within Teams, making tasks more streamlined. Following this, you'll identify and select the Copilot application from the search results. After typing Copilot, a list of matching applications will appear. Look for the official Microsoft Copilot app. It usually has a distinct icon, often associated with AI or intelligent assistants, making it easy to spot. Once you've positively identified it, simply click on the Copilot app from the search results. This action will typically initiate the process of adding the application to your Teams environment, making it accessible for future use and interaction. Confirming you select the correct app prevents adding unintended tools. Upon selecting the Copilot app, you'll then observe Copilot appearing in your left-hand navigation panel. This is a clear visual confirmation that the app has been successfully added to your personal collection of Teams tools. It might be located near the bottom of your app list initially, depending on your existing configuration. This new presence confirms that Copilot is now integrated and ready for you to engage with its powerful AI capabilities, bringing its assistance directly to your fingertips within Teams. To make Copilot even more accessible and a permanent fixture in your Teams navigation, you'll want to pin it. The first step in this pinning process is to right-click on the Copilot icon that just appeared in your left-hand panel. Right-clicking will bring up a context menu, which offers various options for interacting with that specific app. This menu is crucial for managing app settings and preferences, including the ability to pin it for quick access, making it a valuable shortcut for everyday use. Finally, you'll select the pin option from the context menu. After right-clicking the Copilot icon, a small menu will pop up directly beside your cursor. From the options presented in this context menu, you'll want to specifically select Pin. Clicking Pin will secure the Copilot icon in its current position on your left-hand navigation panel, ensuring it remains visible and readily available every time you open Microsoft Teams. This simple action significantly enhances your workflow by providing instant access to Copilot's features without having to search for it each time you need assistance.